Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an excited unboxing review for you. We will be taking a closer look at the silicone baking mat roti mat, perfect for all your kitchen needs. Let's get started. As we open the package, we are immediately granted with a high quality silicone mat that promises to make our cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. The mat is designed especially for kneading dough, making chapatis and rolling found it. One of the standout feature of this mat is its non-stick surface. It ensures that the dough doesn't stick, making it effortlessly to work with. No more messy workstations or frustrating dough sticking to your hands. This mat is here to save the day. And another great thing about this mat is its stretchability. It is flexible and allow you to stretch the dough and without causing it to tear or break. So whether you are making rotis or chapatis, this mat will help you achieve the perfect desired thickness. Apart from its practicality, the silicone baking mat roti mat is also easy to clean. Simply rinse it under warm water and wipe it dry, and it's good to go. No more scrubbing or soaking in the sink for hours. In items of size, this mat is perfect for any kitchen countertop. It provides ample space or kneading and rolling, ensuring that you have enough room or to work comfortably. And overall, the silicone baking mat roti mat is a must-have kitchen tool or everyone who loves baking and cooking. It simplifies the process, making it more efficiently and enjoyable. So guys, that's it for our unboxing review of the silicone baking mat roti mat. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and unboxing. Thank you for watching and happy cooking guys. Till then, bye, take care.